Alright, let's put the detailed drawing and make the shades like a realistic one. So when I put the shades, just making the darker tone in a solid form and more darker, and it's getting the lighter. It is progressing to the middle point. Okay, so you can see the progression. Again, we're putting darker on this corner only and making the lighter shades as we go towards the middle point. All right, and for the dresses you can see that the same thing is happening for the parts here. Okay, so it's getting darker and lighter on the other place, getting darker along the border and then again getting lighter. All right. Looks good. Okay, and for this part you can see here the total solid color we're just putting here. Then you can see the crazy lighting, like the shades and shadow. Okay, all right. And also this side is going to have the shades and shadow. Okay, all right. And it looks like a round shape, you can see here, just all the shades. Okay, these parts like remain white. Okay, and in the middle we're going to put the darker color. Let's put it here with the more bright pencil. Okay, and the body part, it's going to be the orange color, so we're putting the color in a significantly simple tone. Just put the outlines in a darker shade and also putting the shades here. Okay. All right, and shades becoming lighter as we progress to the middle. All right. Okay, also the same thing you can see, we're putting the darker shades to the corners, and as you know we progress to the middle, then you can see the shades becoming lighter. Okay, and also to the upper part, the top positions, you can see alongside the borders and the dresses we're putting the darker shades, and shade is lighter as we progress to the other points. Okay. All right. Okay, so it's almost, you can see that it looks like a dynamic presentations, and the drawing we just try to make it as realistic as possible. So it's a nice drawing with a nice traditional dress. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.